Hi there, here we have a 2010 Landrover Freelander 2.2 turbo diesel. This is the XS model, so it's a good specification with half leather upholstery, alloy wheels, got the privacy glass. This has got Satin on it. It's in this nice light metallic blue, more of a silver, but it's certainly got a blue tint to it. It's going to be sold with 4 new tyres on it. I'm going to service it. It's done 75,500 miles. It's got very good service history, recently been part exchanged to us. 6-speed manual. Cruise control. Four-door electric windows, electric seats, heated seats. Full-size spare alloy wheel in the back, brand new tyre on that. Alpine stereo, electric passenger seat. So like I said, 2010. Turbo diesel, 6-speed manual. We can help with finance on this vehicle. We can get a quote for you. We'll consider your part exchange. So give us a ring. We're on 01380 818 311. Thank you very much for looking.